गणपतये नमो नमः।
ॐ महागणाधिपतये नमः।
ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು ತರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
ಗಣಾಧಿಪತಯೇ ನಮಃ.
ಹಾ ಏನೋ
ॐ महागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ महागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ महागणाधिपतये नमः। गणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ महागणाधिपतये 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 नमः। ॐ महागणाधिपतये
हालो हालो चेक चेक चेक।
I'm equally enthralled also in welcoming Mrs. Saujanya Garu, no less valuable in contributing to the shiny image of the institution.
I'm also highly pleased to welcome our special treasured guest, whose significance is what the Aditya Engineering College is all about. He is the person who's steering Aditya College into success year after year. Ladies,
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm as well delighted to welcome our young and dynamic principal who holds much promise for the upsurge of the school. Then, I would also wish to invite our vice principal, sir, who is no less important in the advancement of the institution.
beloved parents, last but not the least, I would also like to call upon our beloved parents of the sagacious students and our learned teaching staff and the indispensable non-teaching staff.
Once again, we are deeply enraptured to welcome you all to this amazing gala event. Your dazzling presence adds to the blinding brilliance of the event. Thank you, one and all.
Before we begin this beautiful occasion, let us seek the divine blessings of the Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the initiator of wisdom and prosperity.
To invoke his presence and start our program on an auspicious note, I now invite Tanvika of Class 3 to recite sacred slokas dedicated to Lord Ganesha.
Let the vibrations of these verses fill the atmosphere with positivity and peace.
పేరు తన్విక, నేను 3వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఈరోజు నేను గణపతి పాట పాడుతున్నాను. మహాగణపతిం 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 మనసా స్మరామి మహాగణపతిం మనసా స్మరామి వసిష్ఠవామదేవాదివందితా వసిష్ఠవామదేవాదివందిత మహాగణపతిం మనసా స్మరామి మహాదేవసుతం మహాదేవసుతం గురుగుహ నూతం మారకోటి ప్రకాశం శాంతం మహాకావ్యనాటకాదిప్రియం మహాకావ్యనాటకాదిప్రియం మూషికవాహనమోదకప్రియం పప్పమగమరి సరి సని సపమగం పాదని సరి గమ మరి సని స పమ సని పమగమరి పమరి గమరి రిసా రిరిస సాని పామరిస నిసారి గమ మహాగణపతిం మనసా స్మరామి. ధన్యవాద.
Title of the Ganesha slokas.
Through the elegance of classical dance, we will witness beauty of devotion, the power of tradition, and the spirit of Ganapati Bappa Moria.
So let's welcome Lakshita with a big round of applause.
श्रीगुरवे नमः स्वरामृतज्ञानप्रदाय गुरवे नमः ह्रीश्वरनन्दितश्रुतितत्त्वाय गुरवे नमः गमगधीभावरसरसिताय गुरवे नमः मम विधिं रागनरहरिं तं सद्गुरुं नमः You taught us music. You taught us to smile. You taught us to give and the right way to live. Can never thank you enough for being what you were and making us what we are. Gurave Namaha.
Wow!
What an exquisite performance. The grace and poise displayed were
Joy of inviting primary academic champions
honored of my child's school onto the stage to give away the prizes.
The first place from nursery secured by Gagan Vihan. Congratulations, Vihan.
Congratulations, Vihan. Holds P. Jasvika holds second rank. Congratulations, Jasvika. LKG Section A, S. Abhirami Verma stands first place.
Congratulations. The second place from Section A is secured by Sheikh Arman.
Section B, S. Vohita achieved the top rank.
The second prize is achieved by Hithika.
UKG Section A, first place is secured by Sheikh Atufa Anjum.
Congratulations. The second The second place is secured by G. Darshik.
section B, the first rank is to P. Rohanesh.
The second place is secured by Sheikh Ali Anju. Congratulations.
From grade 1, S. Shashika secures first rank.
The second place is secured by Jatvik Reddy.
From second grade, S. Samit secures first rank.
The second position is achieved by Gnanavi. As she is unable to receive the award, we congratulate her on this achievement.
From grade 3, C. Chatra has received first rank.
Congratulations. The second rank is holded by Manisha.
From grade 4, N. Saryu has secured second rank. Class 5, G. Satvika has secured first rank.
The second place is achieved by Chavistry. Please congratulate her. Moving on to My Child School attendance toppers. From nursery, the first rank is secured by P. Hasrit.
From LKG, there are two people who topped the attendance. G. Reddy Amnisha, S. Sahasra.
From UKG, there are two people once again securing the top position. It's Shanvit Sai and Kaif Khan. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon Mrs. Vanita Garu to give away the prizes. Class 2, Reddy Rutvik Tej topped the attendance.
Grade 3, P. Shoaib.
Class 4, S. Rian secured the top position in attendance.
Class 5, Sheikh Talia Isra. So kind of you, madam. Thank you for your kind act.
Now, we have the plethora of pleasure in lauding the Sri Veda Best Academic Conquerors for their Please welcome, ma'am.
Class 1G1, first rank is secured by P. Kartikeya.
The second prize is achieved by Pranayati Sai Reddy.
From grade 1G2, first rank is secured by C. Mahima Risha.
There are two people who secure second rank from 1G2. They are Mohammad Zain and Myra. Congratulations to all of you.
From grade 2G1, first rank is secured by S. Muhammad Ahil.
The second prize is secured by Taha Anjum.
2G2, the first rank is secured by E. Joshvika Reddy.
The second rank is secured by Bhavishya.
From grade 2G3, the first rank is secured by D. Nihara.
Second rank is achieved by Chetana Reddy.
From grade 3G1, first rank is secured by Y.J. Srivardhan.
The second rank is secured by Vinutna.
From 3G2, the first rank is secured by M. Gnaneshwar.
There are two people who secured second rank from 3G2. It's Bhavigna and Bindu. As Bhavigna is unable to receive the prize, we congratulate her on her great achievement.
From grade 3G3, first rank is secured by B. Manvita.
There are two people who secured second position. They are Rushika and Nirvan Reddy. Please congratulate them.
From grade 4, the first rank is secured by S. Rinas from grade 4G1.
The second rank is secured by Arsha Jasmine. Second rank is also secured by B. Tejesh.
From grade 4G, from grade 4G2, first rank is secured by S. Aiza Fareen.
The second rank is secured by Roshni Taj.
From grade 5G1, first rank is secured by M. Kusuma. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, I request Mr. Lakshmi Narayan to give a Please welcome, sir. From 5G1, first rank is secured by Kusma. Second rank is secured by Rishita.
From grade 5G2, first rank is secured by K. Satvik Nirvan. From 5G2, second rank is secured by T. Manha.
From 5G3, first rank is secured by K. Hemant. From 5G3, second rank is secured by Tanvika Reddy.
From grade 6G1, first rank is secured by P. Sanvi.
Second rank is secured by Gayatri.
From grade 6G2, first rank is secured by P. Lirisha.
Second rank is achieved by Harshavardhan Reddy.
From grade 6G3, first rank is secured by G. Yashashvi.
Second rank is achieved by Bhavadeep.
From grade 7G1, first rank is secured by R. Shivani.
The second rank is secured by Sharu.
From grade 7G2, first rank is secured by P. Manya.
Second rank is secured by Kirtana. Please cheer them up, audience.
From grade 7G3, first rank is secured by P. Dheeraj.
Second rank is secured by Aradhya.
Thank you, Tatagaru.
Now, I call upon our young and dynamic principal, Mr. Upendra Reddy Garu, to come onto the dais and give away the prize.
From grade 8G1, P. Deepak Sai secured first rank.
Second prize is achieved by Meenakshi Sri.
From May G2, first rank is secured by Abhiram Naidu.
The second rank is secured by Mohammad Rehan.
From May G3, first rank is secured by Venkata Darhas.
The second rank is secured by Chetana Priya.
From grade 9G1, G. Likit Naidu has secured first rank.
The second rank is secured by Syed Ahmad.
In grade 9G2, standing at top, we have P. Edidya.
The second rank is achieved by Varun Kumar Reddy.
From grade 10G1, T.S. Mahiana has secured the first rank.
The second rank is achieved by K. Meghana.
From grade 10G2, Vaibhav Raj stands in the first position.
Mohammad Wais Khan secured the second position.
Thank you, sir.
Now we call upon our young and dynamic Mr. Vice Principal Sir onto the dais to give away the prizes. From 1G1, there are 4 attendance toppers. It's Puneet, Deekshant, Perumal Porshit Gagan, Gokul Ajit,
From 2G1, it is S. Mohammad Arhan. From 2G2, K. Shashant. 2G3, M. Tarun.
from 3G1, it's Nana Joshna.
From grade 3G2, M. Bindu.
From grade 3G3, it's Mokshagnya.
From grade 4G1, S. Arsha Jasmine.
From grade 4G2, it's M. Vishal. M. Vishal.
From grade 5G1, K. Harsha.
From 5G2, it's A. Prerna.
From 5G3, it's K. Hemant.
From grade 5G3, it's Tarfan Basha.
Thank you, sir.
Now I call upon our administrative officer, Mr. Kishore Garu, to give away the prizes. Moving on to high school attendance toppers, from 6G1, it's Harshita Sai.
From 6G2, it is P. Larisha.
From 6G3, it's Babajan.
Grade 7G1, it is R. Shivani.
From 7G2, it's Banu Prakash Chowdhury.
There's one more, B. Nikhil.
From 7G3, it's Dheeraj.
From grade 8G1, it is V. Ramcharan.
From grade 8G2, it's Balaji.
From grade 8G3, it is M. Vismaya.
grade 9 G1, it's Jayashree.
There's one more from 9G1, S. Said Ahmed.
From 9G2, it's A. Varun Kumar Reddy. From 10G1, we have two attendance toppers, M. Tanmaya and K. Meghana.
From grade 10G2, it is Mahashwin.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind gesture.
Now we have Sriveda Book of Records Award. To acquaint you with this was instituted for the special purpose of bringing out the hidden exceptional talents in the students. The students who showcase such gift will be privileged to secure a place in this prestigious book. In this way, it encourages innovation and inventiveness in the students.
Participating in this, our students have excelled in various activities like solving Rubik's Cube, hula hoop, beatbox, rapping, tongue twisters, physics and math formulae. 118 elements names in order.
Now, before we conjure up the big name of winner, we would like to express our deep sense of admiration and appreciation to all the students who took part in this unique competition. Once again, I feel highly delighted to call upon our dynamic principal sir to come on to the stage to present the awards.
Now, dear parents, the winner of Sriveda Book of Records is N. Laksha Reddy from grade 3. I request her to come and receive the award.
Importance of books in our lives can never be emphasized enough. Since times immemorial, books have played a huge and humongous role in transforming the world. They have always replaced evil with good and in the process have profoundly shaped our lives in positive ways.
In this context, assume significance the art and ability of book review. Hence, it is our pride and pleasure to honor and encourage excellence in book review performance. The winner for primary is V. Parnika from grade 5. Her review stole the show for being the best in all aspects: analysis, critical judgment, steep insight into nuances and the like. I request V. Parnika to come forward to receive the award. And the winner for high school is Mahiyana from grade 10. I request Mahiyana to come forward to receive the award.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am extremely happy to share the 2024. She was honored by the board for it. I request V. Mokshita's parents to come onto the dais and receive the certificate.
Dear parents, a wonderful evening to you all. Thank you so much for your presence. And whatever the award we are presenting, it is a certificate from CISCE, that means ICSE Council for the Telugu subject. Sriveda school child, Vattikunta Mokshita has got 99.8 percentile. Hence in the Andhra Telangana region, they have given the certificate from the council for the subject topper all over the country. That's a great achievement. She couldn't be here, so we take privilege in honoring the parents. Thank you.
students, give them a big hand. World records. Our grade 7 students, Shibani, Akshara, Lakshita and Vanshika successfully participated and presented a thunderous performance along with 6,000 others in classical dance. Kuchipudi Kala Vaibhavam and shared the honor of success with these 6,000 other participants. The event was held on December 23 at Hyderabad and the performance was assessed with the help of AI as 6,000 participants danced at the same time.
I also invite Vice Principal Sir and AO Sir to join our Principal Sir to give away these certificates to these charming winners. I would like to invite Shibani, Akshara, Lakshita and Vanshika all to come onto the stage and receive the certificates. I also wish to invite their Guru Balaji Varma Garu to come onto the stage. Our sincere thanks and congratulations to the dance master for his excellent training and motivation which made their success possible. I also pay my sincere thanks and congratulations to the parents for their wonderful support and encouragement. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause. We extend our warm welcome to Vasishta High School Principal Neena Nair Garu and Sailaja Garu. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you so much, sirs and Balaji Varma Garu. I request Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir and AO Sir to stay on the stage for the next special.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us now witness the winners of the prestigious Cockhouse Trophy. This trophy holds enormous significance. Throughout the academic year, our students from various houses, Akash, Agni, Prithvi and Trishul, engage in nail-biting competition in a series of events comprising sports, academics and extracurricular activities like cricket, football, throwball, kho-kho, spell bee, drawing, calligraphy, etc.
These competitions foster healthy competition besides inculcating values like teamwork, perseverance, leadership qualities, etc. Yet, one house emerges successful. I would request Mr. Ramohan Reddy Garu, the architect of the destiny of this institution, our beloved chairman sir, to come on to the dais to bestow the award to the winning house.
I would also like to invite our principal, vice principal and Kishore sir to join our chairman sir in presenting this prestigious award.
Can you guess which house it is that will be crowned with this honor? Yes, you're right. It is the Trishul house that stands tall this evening with success large writ on their faces. I request the students and our house teachers to come forward to be honored with the Cockhouse Trophy. Dear audience, please encourage the winning house. Please applaud the winning house. Thank you so much, sirs, for taking time to honor our achievers.
Now, for the academic year 2024 to 2025.
Good evening, parents. It's time to invite the achievers of Sri Veda, and we have three great events in our list. Number one, it is two participants from Sri Veda ICSE school. One is Prashant and the other is Abdul Manan from grade 10, both of them. They just qualified for the ICSE national level 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 and 800 meters running race. Big round of applause to these boys who represented Sri Veda school at national level ICSE in Hyderabad. And next, followed up, somehow when it comes to education, girls they dominate. But here, my girls, they dominate in sports too. It is under 17 throwball category, which was organized in Guntur, Layala school. Just my girls under 17 throwball team have secured first position out of Andhra and Telangana region. And out of 15 players, 3 players got selected to national level team. Naga Vigna of grade 9, Dhanavarshini of grade 9, and who is Lakshanya of grade 10. Big round of applause to them. These are another. And another great achievement from this organization and from the Department of Physical Education too. It is central government has launched a program in that Khelo India football tournament. It is under 17 tournament. It was organized by Madanapalli Football Association, and the central government has announced 50,000 rupees first prize money too, whereas out of 7 matches, 6 matches are Sri Veda School team won and they secured first position by getting 50,000 prize money. And it is a great honor to the organization. I invite all the winners, the Captain Spurti and team to come on to the dais. And I request Mr. Vice Principal and Correspondent Sir, AO Sir, and Chairman Ramohan Reddy Sir to come on to the dais to give one more last prize. Thank you. Please come on to the dais, all of you.
Thank you, sirs. Now, coming to the most spicy side of the program, ladies and gentlemen, let us plunge together into the joy of jumping and jubilation. Let us be submerged in the sea of culture programs. Today, we have a truly godly experience awaiting you. A performance that embodies grace, devotion, and a powerful